my Soapy kitchen. Today we are going to be making a sugar-free sugar scrub. Those are air quotes. Air quotes. All right, so we've got 4 different kinds of liquid soap here. I'm going to soap paste. Do a quick little mixy mix. And I think these are soft enough that I don't need to do anything more, because we're just going to be smushing in a whole lot of scrubby. Now this is for you ladies who don't want to be scratched and invaded by salt scrub, because you know how much that hurts. I'm one of those that can't handle salt scrub. I'm sorry, I can't do it. I can't do it. Now the fragrance we're going to be using on this one is Rockstar. This is a custom order. This is what I like to do. I like to do small custom orders. So if you're interested, then I can make you some too. So just let me know. Head on over to my website at www.gentlesoaps.com, which is an Etsy shop, and let me know what I can do for you. Alrighty, so the fragrance that I've chosen for this one is Tooth Fairy Taffy from Nature's Garden, but I've mixed it with Orange Fivefold. So it's lovely. And then to that I have added some Polysorbate 80 so that when you use it, it turns into a lotion rather than a greasy scrub. Because this is all about cleaning the liquid oils that I have. The liquid soap that I have here is plenty moisturizing. We don't need to add anything to boost the moisturizing capacity of these formulations, which is kind of nice. But I am going to add some pretty color. So the color I'm going to use, it's probably not going to come out very strong, but I'm going to be using Party Pink Mica from Brambleberry. Just to give it a little bit of pink, kind of that pink taffy candy that matches the fragrance so well. Oh yeah. Okay, so I am going to warm this up. I changed my mind just so that incorporating the non-sugar sugars, which I'll show you in a minute, goes seamlessly. All right, so that only took a few seconds, but see, it made a huge difference. Much more smishable. And because I've got that color in there, I want it to be uniform in color. So I'm going to start by adding Monkfruit sweetener, which has Erythritol and Monkfruit extract. Okay. And a natural Birch Xylitol sweetener. It has a little more of a scrubby, so I thought it would be fun. So we're going to put these in approximately the same quantity as you do your regular sugar scrub. Got the Xylitol is the third, and the monk's fruit is 2/3. So even if you're on a keto diet, you can use this. See, it says it's keto friendly. Alrighty, so let's mix in our fragrance. And dump all of that into our sugar-free scrub base. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I need to put some of this in here just to get every bit of that off. Now, if you find that you need more of the sugar-free goodies, go ahead and use them. If you find you need less, that's okay too. It's okay to play with this recipe because it's just fun. This is all about fun. I mean, what's not fun about Tooth Fairy Taffy? Now, this will not have the same texture as my sugar scrub, my Taffy sugar scrub. This is more like what you'll get when you make a salt scrub, which is kind of neat. Isn't that pretty? So, so pretty. All right, so I thought I'd show you how I'm going to finish this off. Normally I use sugar sprinkles for these type of products, but you're in luck because I make soapy sprinkles too, and these two looked perfect. So we're just going to sprinkle some of these blue ones, and then a few of the white ones on top. Isn't that pretty? If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. Come on back to my Soapy kitchen and watch me create any old time. Bye for now. Now, I can't leave you without doing a quick demo, and then we'll pack it into the jar. There's a little piece right there. Get my hand wet. Beautiful, gorgeous, beautiful, gorgeous. And it feels different than the other, but it's still got that nice scrubby texture, which is awesome. Get some nicer, bigger bubbles with this blend. Don't want to drip in there. I want you to see what you get. So if you want me to make you some sugar-free sugar scrub, let me know. www.gentlesoaps.com. You can even pick your fragrance. I love custom orders. Bye for now. Please click like and subscribe and join me back in my Soapy kitchen anytime. Bye guys.